Hey friends, welcome to my channel. This is a new channel that I'm starting for 2021. My name is Breezy Bain and I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Poshmark, and Amazon as of late 2020. And we're going to try and do this in one take. So I wanted to do just an introduction to myself, tell you guys about who I am and what I plan for this channel in 2021. So I am a mom of 9. Yes, you heard that correctly. 9 children. Now, to be fair, I did not birth all of them. I have 2 children that are my biological children, 3 from a marriage, 1 that we have adopted, and 3 that are currently foster children that we are in the process of adopting. 7 still live at home. 2 are young adults and are out on their own, finding their way. So a little bit about myself and what I kind of hope for this channel. I want to provide you guys with content that is useful to you in your reselling journey. I want to kind of entertain you guys, you know? I mean, I think it's fun to watch some of these people that, you know, are doing the thrift hauls that have a lot of personality. And then, of course, there are some that are just very soothing. It's like ASMR. So, I don't know. I probably am going to err on the crazy, funny side as I get used to talking on camera because it feels super awkward right now. But anyways, let's see. One of the first things that I kind of want to do for 2021 is show you my hot mess. So back in 2020, I had a friend who had an eBay store of like upwards of 3,500 items in their store. And she was just over it. And she basically told me, take it all. And so this was honestly, you guys, right before the country shut down, and then I had all of my children at home, so I have not touched most of it. So I am going to, in the next video, show you guys what I like to call my hot mess. I look like a hoarder, and I just have not had the time or energy, but mainly time, to get around to listing it all. So I'm going to take you guys on journeys where we go out and thrift, but I'm also going to be doing haul videos from the stuff that she gave to me, so graciously gave to me, which I'm so thankful for. Not all of it is stuff that I will be reselling, so. Anyways, but let's see, what else do you need to know about me? You guys, remember how I said I was new at all this? Rookie mistake. Sat there and videoed myself talking for like 5 minutes and I wasn't even recording. So like, this is me coming back after I was like, oh, I'll edit my little videos. What did you miss? You missed me talking about when I started reselling, which was basically like in my early 20s, just off and on eBay, to 2018. I really decided to go part-time on Poshmark. To late 2019, I was like, wait, why am I doing this just on Poshmark? Why am I missing out on the eBay train? Late 2019, started just cross-posting to, or cross-listing, whatever you want to call it, to eBay. To jump forward to September of, or late September of 2020, me starting my journey on Amazon. So all of that did not get recorded. So that's the short version. And then the other thing you missed is me talking about my Enneagram type. Like, it actually flowed when I was talking about it originally. Now it just sounds totally random. But I was saying that I am an Enneagram 7. So if you guys don't know about Enneagram types, Enneagram, Enneagram, look it up. It's fascinating. But I guess I just told you guys that because I thought that was interesting when I was talking about entertaining you and just personality types. I am an Enneagram 7. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you hung in there throughout this video, I promise you I'm going to get better at this. It's just ugly like right now because I'm learning to talk on camera, learning to actually hit record, you know, when I should be talking. So if you've enjoyed this, or if you want to try to come back for more, please like it and subscribe. And if you guys hit that little bell, it will tell you when I post a new video. So come back for more, pretty please.